break, break. He accidentally broke the glass while washing it. Crack, crack. The phone screen cracked when it fell on the ground. Dent, dent. The car door got a dent in the parking lot. Scratch, scratch. My cat scratched the sofa yesterday. Tear, tear. She tore the paper while opening the envelope. Crush, crush. I can crush the can with my hand. Chip, chip. She chipped her nail while opening the box. Smash, smash. The strong wind smashed the window. Shatter, shatter. The vase shattered into pieces when it hit the floor. Fade, fade. The paint on the wall has faded over the years. Burn, burn. The hot pan burned the table surface. Stain, stain. Coffee stained his white shirt. Rust, rust. The old bicycle has started to rust. Leak, leak. Water is leaking from the bathroom tap. Fray, fray. The edges of the old cloth are starting to fray.